How to do blue comment on TikTok. For that, launch the TikTok application and make sure that you're logged into your account. After that, you have to open up that specific video where you want to make your comment blue. For example, here is the video I have. Here I want to make my comment blue. In TikTok, making a blue comment is a way to highlight or make your comment stand out. So for that, you have to make sure that you comment a relevant or specific topic in order to relate to this content on this video. For that, tap on this comment section, and here now you can add your comment. And here make sure to add such a comment that is relevant or specific to the content in the video. For example, I will just add the movie title right here. So this will be my comment. The name of this movie. And now I want to add it as my comment. Then tap on add. After that, my comment has been added. Now what you have to do is you have to refresh the application. You can close this and make sure to like this video. After that, close the TikTok completely. Then you can wait for 5 to 6 seconds. Close all of the application, and once you are done with that, now go back and open up TikTok application. Refresh your application. Once that, head towards your favorites to see the comment that I have made recently. For that, tap on your profile. Then tap on your liked video. So here is the video that I made a comment recently, and here tap on the comment section. And as you can see, the commented at the top is now highlighted as a blue color that I have made recently. So in this way, you can make your comment blue on TikTok. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.